Just imagine creating content like this within minutes using AI. From images and videos to viral clips, music, and social media content, everything can be generated in one place. You can even create your own custom skills and generate video stacks within seconds. So in this video, let me show you how this AI tool works. You will find the link in the description or head over to Google and search for Ribbi AI. Click on the official website and log in using your email. As soon as you log in, you'll notice that the interface is very simple and easy to use. Everything is available in a single dashboard. At the top, you can explore different skills, and you'll also find all the projects or products you've previously generated. Inside the skills section, you'll find different categories like social media, videos, visuals, editors, AI, audio and music, and e-commerce. So whether you want to create short-form content, generate visuals, edit images, make podcast clips, create songs, or design product creatives, everything is available inside one platform. Basically, Ribbi AI gives you multiple AI workflows in one place, so you don't need to jump between different tools again and again.
At the bottom of the dashboard, you'll find a prompt bar where you can type or paste any prompt you want. You also get options to upload images or files directly. Next to it, there's a skills option. Simply click on it and choose whatever type of content you want to generate. For example, if I want to create a poster, I'll just select the poster option and paste my prompt directly into the box. You can also upload any supporting files or images here. In my case, I'm uploading my product image. Once everything is ready, simply click on Send. Ribbi AI will analyze your prompt and generate a professional, high-quality result within seconds. And the best part is, you can even create your own custom skills for any tool or workflow. That means you don't have to repeat the same process manually every single time. As you can see, the final result looks extremely professional and high quality. The visuals are well designed, clean, and visually appealing. Downloading is also very simple. Just click on the download button and your file will be saved instantly. And if you want to make any further edits or improvements, you can simply enter another prompt and the AI will update or refine the design for you automatically. After generating anything, just tell Ribbi, "Save as my skill," and it will instantly be saved to your library. Now, talking about its other features, for example, if I want to generate an image, I can simply paste my prompt directly into the prompt bar and click on Send. The process is exactly the same. With just one click, your final result will be generated right in front of you. No complicated setup, no extra steps. Everything is designed to be simple, fast, and beginner-friendly. Now, take a look at the result. Just like I wanted, it generated a cinematic-style image with sparks and dramatic visuals in incredibly high quality. The detailing is amazing, and the AI delivered exactly the kind of realistic and professional output I was expecting. It even generated 4 different image variations, all of them looking visually stunning and highly realistic. And this is just one example. You can create almost anything you want in the same way. Now, let me show you how you can convert this image directly into a video. So as you can see, our video has been generated successfully. Let me play it and show you the final result. Similarly, you can use this tool to generate almost anything you want within just a few clicks. The entire process is simple, fast, and extremely user-friendly. And as you've already seen, the quality of the results is incredibly professional and high-end. The platform comes with a huge variety of features that let you create different types of content directly with AI. One of the most impressive features is the podcast tool. You can simply upload any podcast, and the AI will automatically generate viral-ready clips from it within seconds. Now, let me show you another useful feature from the editor section. For example, if you want to resize an image, simply click on the Resize tool and upload your image directly from your device. I've already uploaded my image, and after that, all you need to do is click on Send. There's no need to write any prompt or adjust complicated settings. Within seconds, the AI automatically processes the image and gives you the final resized result instantly. So basically, whatever idea comes to your mind, you can bring it to life within just a few clicks using this tool. Whether you're a beginner or a professional, this platform makes content creation incredibly simple and efficient. Honestly, the custom skills feature is the best part of this tool. It lets you automate your workflows instantly. If you need an all-in-one AI platform for images, video, and social content, this is it. I also have 10 exclusive invite codes to share, each giving you $10 in free credits. They are first come, first served, so grab them while they last. Check the link in the description to get started. See you in the next one.